This is Iceman. He went on a wild adventure in the maze. This adventure includes him melting, evaporating, sublimating, and freezing. He was roaming around the maze like a normal ice cube with the ghost chasing him. Then, suddenly, Pinky came and shot a fireball at him. He was at his melting point. He was turning into a liquid. Melting is when a solid in which the molecules are bunched up gain energy or heat and turn into a liquid in which the molecules have a bit more space and are a bit more active. Iceman didn't like his form as a liquid. He wanted to turn back into a solid, and in order to do that, he needed to lose more energy. Then suddenly, Clyde came and shot a fireball at him. Iceman turned into a gas. Evaporating is when a liquid in which the molecules have some space and are active but not as active as a gas, gain energy and turn into a gas in which the molecules are even more free than the molecules in a liquid and have even more space than the molecules in a liquid. Iceman didn't like his form as a gas. He wanted to turn back into a solid, or at least a liquid.
Yep.
And then one day, Inky came and shot an ice ball at him. Iceman was turning back into a liquid. He was in a sublimation point. Sublimation is when a gas in which the molecules are able to move around freely a lot and have a lot of space, lose energy and turn into a liquid which doesn't have as much space and they're not as active, but they still are active and they still have a bit space. And then Blinky came and shot an ice ball at him. He was going through his freezing point. Now Iceman is back to his normal form as a solid. Freezing is when a liquid in which all the molecules can move a little bit and have some space, lose energy and heat, and turn into a solid in which the molecules are bunched up and can't move that much, but they can still vibrate. What happened to Iceman in this story is he gained more and more energy, and then he turned into a liquid, and that process is called the melting. And then after that, he gained even more energy and turned into a gas. And then he lost energy and turned back into a liquid. And finally, he lost even more energy and went back to his normal form as a solid.